profound pleasure that we gain from looking at a painting or listening to music shows how important it is for human beings to have inner satisfaction rather than the gross pleasures of the senses or the possession of material goods. Nevertheless, even aesthetic satisfaction depends largely on vision and hearing, so it can only yield temporary well-being, and this is not so fundamentally different from the satisfaction produced by drugs. When we leave the museum or the concert hall, our aesthetic pleasure is over and is replaced by the desire to experience it again. It never brings true inner happiness.